Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about risk management. Everyone talks about how much you should risk per trade, 0.5%, 1% or 2%. But no one talks about how the risk changes the more you come towards your take profit and the further away you are from your stop loss. I'm going to show you on the chart now what I mean by the risk changes. Let's say this is the trade you're going to enter. Now we see this in hindsight, so it's going to be easier to understand what I'm going to talk about. But let's say you have a 1 to 6 risk to reward. You risk 1% and you gain 6% if it hits your target. But when price moves up, the risk changes because now you have 1 to 6. But when you're here, you have all of a sudden 1 to 1. And yes, this is your profit. You didn't have this money before. But if you close the trade here, that's your money. So you can consider it your money. If price moves up here, like this, you can gain 0.1, but you can lose 0.9. If I told you, if we didn't take the trade down here, and if I told you, take the trade up here, would you do it? No, that's a stupid, really stupid risk to reward. Don't do it. There is another side of this, and that's the probabilities. If you have a strategy that you always do 1 to 6, and it's working out for you, don't listen to this nonsense. But it's just an eye-opener to think about, okay, I had 1 to 6, but here I have 0.1 to 0.9, or gain 1 and lose 9. You would never take this trade. And when you are at this position, that's the trade you're looking at. So even if you do it a break-even trade, you move the stop loss to break-even, it's still a 0.8 or 0. What it's now, it's 1 to 6, but you understand what I mean. So yeah, do what you want with this information, but remember this: profit is always profit. I'm an expert of closing my trades before they reach my target. But I also have a rule: if in my trading plan, if price moves like this, quick like this up, I would probably close it up here at these highs here, because after a push, there's always a retracement. You don't know exactly where the retracements are, but you see here, it's coming a retracement now, and it's probably from this area here. Maybe it's going up, continue up. I mean, this is Dow Jones. It can do like this. But that's at least a rule I have. Take the profit, move on to the next one. Trading is not picture perfect. It's not always 1 to 6, at least not for me. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you want more of my content, subscribe. I will do more content. Okay, peace.
If you want to know more about Robert, check out his website www.robertbilling.com or www.robertsfx.com to download the robots and trading tools he uses himself.